When we bring in machine learning, it brings in a lot of AI biases. How do you lead it with empathy? So how do you overcome the biases and still be a lot empathetic to the customers? This is the most challenging part. Someone is reaching out to customer support because they are in actual trouble. How do we detect this? And how do we also help them to reach the right resolution? This has been the focus for what I'm doing right now. It ranges from conversational AI system where we look at predicting the customer sentiment. What's the intent in which they are reaching out? And they don't need to even speak our language. They can speak in whatever they are comfortable in and will be still be able to understand and decipher. So we have a large range of translation which pass our system. I see a lot of these to evolve over the next few years. In fact, all our research has been mostly on how do we make our NLP systems better, much more emotional, and making it easier for us to understand our customers better.